Good morning, artists. Today is October the 8th, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside of the Thursday folder for art inside of Schoology. So the first thing you need to do every morning, whether you're on Zoom or whether you're learning on your own, is the attendance. So you need to make sure you click on the attendance, select whatever period you're scheduled to come to art, and then click next. It will ask you a question in there. And today's question is, did you know that you can replace low or missing grades if you submit an artwork for the October Art Challenge in Schoology? And as we see here, there's repost of the instructions as well as the calendar. So I need for you to select one of these options and click submit. Next, you will go back into the folder and you will need to look at a week at a glance. That's going to be our schedule for what we've done this week. On Monday, in the red, we went over the October Drawing Challenge, and you were asked to turn in your assignment for light versus dark. That is going to be this assignment that I'm holding in my hand, where you were asked last week to create a 2D shape and separate it into dark and light values. So if you haven't turned that in, make sure you do so. On Tuesday, we reviewed vocabulary words for scale, and you were asked to watch videos for the value scale. You also were asked to do the discussion post for the MC Escher photo that we looked at on Tuesday. So for the Tuesday one, that is going to be found in the Tuesday folder. So if you didn't get to do it, you will click on See, Think, Wonder, MC Escher Relativity. And in this discussion, I'm asking you to describe what you see, think, or wonder when you look at this artwork using your audio or video. So to do that, you will need to go to the comment section and click on the microphone at the bottom to record your response. Please make sure to type in done and then click post when you are finished. For Wednesday, which was yesterday, you were asked to watch 2 videos. The first video was on how to create a grid. That is going to be the one I have here on my sketchbook. So there's 2 YouTube videos I posted yesterday. This is going to be the first video where you learn how to make the grid. And the second video inside of the Wednesday folder showed you how to use your pencil or your drawing materials to now make a value scale using pencil, cross-hatching, and stippling. This assignment is due tomorrow on Friday, October the 9th. Today in the Thursday folder, you will find that I have reposted the instructions for the October Drawing Challenge. And also, we will be doing a check for understanding during Zoom, meaning it is a student workday, and if you need any help or have any questions, I will be there to help you. So we are currently looking at the Thursday folder, and I wanted to show you something that I also added to this folder today. Is drawing challenge ideas for pumpkin, because our word of the day yesterday for our October drawing challenge was pumpkin. So inside of this folder, you will notice that I put several different things. Now remember, this October drawing challenge is not required. It is extra credit. So inside of here, if you want to draw a step-by-step pumpkin and watch a video, that's going to be the first link. The second video is how to draw a funny pumpkin. The next one you will see is an image that you can click on to give you some help when you draw your pumpkin. This is what we call a template, where it has no color, no details, but just the outline of the shape. You will also see inside of this folder that there are 2 pictures for Yayoi Kusama. That is the Japanese artist that we learned about a couple weeks ago. And in here, you will notice that this is an artwork that she created using dots. Ooh, that's pretty similar to the stippling method we were talking about yesterday in class. So here's a painting by Yayoi Kusama. But you will also find in here, there's a sculpture. So a sculpture is something that's 3D. It's also outdoors, and this is again from a series she did on pumpkins using her dot method. So when you create your pumpkin for extra credit, you're more than welcome to be inspired and use the stippling technique or use your own designs or patterns when you create your artwork. If you are participating in the October Drawing Challenge, you will need to submit your artwork inside of the orange folder that says October Drawing Challenge Grade Replacement for Students in Art. This can be found in the first 9 weeks folder inside of our Schoology course. So I'll go ahead and click there. And again, if you're doing pumpkin, you can click on pumpkin or whatever day of the week that you chose. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And again, before I leave, I'll show you what it looks like. You click on here. You have to take a photo on your computer first or your device before you click Add Media, because it's going to ask you to look for a file, a photo, or a video that you already posted. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great day.